Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked on the multiplexers. An 8 to 1 multiplexer is used to implement a logical function y as shown in the figure. The output y is given by. Means here they are given simply an 8 by 1 multiplexer and they are asking for what does the output y is generating. Right? If I am saying that is 8 by 1 multiplexer, you are going to have 8 inputs and which is having 3 select lines. They have given the inputs for the select lines as A, B and C. For the inputs they have given as 0, D, 0, D, 0, 0, 1, 0. Right? So how can you solve it? So it's like a general procedure, right? As the previous gate questions, right? So if you are going to select first input, you have to make sure to pass here 3 zeros, right? So means I can directly write as small letters I am writing A bar, B bar, C bar into 0 plus A bar, B bar, C into D, right? Second input line, that is D. Next A bar, B, C bar and third input line is 0, right? Guys, if I write like this, how many terms you are going to get? You are going to get 8 terms, right? You are going to get 8 terms, right? Instead of writing like this, right? It's a time-based process. Because if you are able to multiply 0 with anything, you are going to get complete 0. So then why I need to take every time as the expression into 0? It's better to take only, let me take with green color, take with only the inputs having the high value. Observe, the inputs having the high value. It's better. So I can get only 3 expressions, right? So I can write. Now, if I want to select the first I1 input line, you have to have the value as 0, 0, 1, right? A bar, B bar, C into D. If you want to select the I3 input, you have to have 0, 1, 1, right? 0, 1, 1 means what? A bar, B, C into D. Similarly, if you take to select sixth input line, you have to have 110. 110 means A, B, C bar into 1. So you can directly write as A bar, B bar, C, D plus A bar, B, C, D plus A, B, C bar. Is it there in the list of options? No. So what we can do now, you can simply make it standard sum of the products. So if you would like to make standard sum of the products, I will write here 1. So 1 means, can I write it as D plus D bar? Yes, D plus wait. Right, so it should be D plus D bar. Okay, so try to make it distributive formula. This is as usual and it will be continued, and now apply distributive formula AB C bar D plus AB C bar D bar. So as here we are going to have 4 variables and we have to construct a 4 variable K map, right? Because I need to simplify the expression, right? So input should be A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? So let us try it. What is the minterm value? This one is 1 1 0 0. Sorry, it should be 0 0 1 1. This is 0 1 1. This is 1 1 0 1 and it will be 1 1 0 0, right? So first one 0 0 1 I can write it as 1 here. Second one 0 1 1 0 1 1, yes. 1 1 0 1 minterm will be like this, and 1 1 0 0 minterm will be like this, right? Now how can you form a subcube, so which is of maximum size, right? So I can form a size of 2 power 1, right? If I combine this and if I try to solve, which is not changing here, a bar is not changing, so I can write as A bar, and on the x-axis both has to be there, right? C, D. Similarly, if I are able to solve this particular subcube, you are going to get AB, and on the x-axis, which is not changing, C bar is not changing, so you are going to get this one. So final answer is A bar CD plus AB C bar. So A bar CD, A bar CD, anything is there? Yes, A bar CD plus AB C bar. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.